Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you. Alright, we're back and playing on Chumba Casino. We're gonna start with $100 and see how we do. How's everybody doing out there too? Hope everybody's doing good. Come on, let's go, coins. Bam. Oh my gosh. I've been alright. Just can't wait to go back to Vegas to play the WSOP World Series of Poker main event, 10K buy-in event. Hopefully, when we go out there, we do well. But, yeah. Other than that, just been home, chilling with the wife and kids. Come on, coins. There we go. Oh, no. We missed by one. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, other than that, like I said, just been chilling with the wife and kids. Relaxing, getting ready to go back to Vegas. Come on. Let's spend this money up. Come on. There we go. All right. Let's go with 8. Wild. 8 get free games. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Five of a kind.
Baby. You can do it. Come on. Look at that buffalo. Come on. More. Come on, let's get a re-trigger. Oh, yes, we did. We got a re-trigger. All right. That's cool. 8 more spins. Excuse me. There's a request for reload on our poker club. 8 more. Come on, Buffalo. Oh, minor. Come on. You can do it. We got 10 free spins left. Can we do something? Come on, baby. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. Oh, I'm kind of tired right now. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. Give us some more money. 5 more games left. Come on. You can do better. Man. Doesn't look too promising. Come on, Buffalo. Oh, my goodness, you guys. Oh, my gosh. Oh my gosh, we missed the last reel. Ah. Come on. Oh, yeah, come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, man. Come on. 172.85. My cash is out. Come back and try Atlantis. Let's see if we could get a bonus. Couple more spins here. Alright, we went to Atlantis. See if we could get some treasures. It'll be cool. We can get some treasures right now. Yes, I think we got it, guys. I think we got it. Yes. This is my first time. Jackpot respin re-trigger, okay? So we need to get those treasure balls up in there. and treasure chest. I mean, not treasure balls. And come on, you can do it. I have a feeling we might get a big one. Might get a big one. Come on, we got a $60 already. Give us some bigger ones. Bigger treasures. Come on. Come on, Atlantis. Boom. 750. Not too bad. Come on, let's go. Treasure. Big one. 125. Look at that, guys. Is that 125? I think it is 125. Wow. That's amazing. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, big one. 75, all right. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Big one. Oh, man. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Last one, guys. We need a big one. Come on, treasure chest. Boom. Big one. Oh, 625. Come on. How about just fill it all up? Fill it all up. Come on. Let's go. Big one. Boom. Oh, 625. Come on, big one. Alright, we need a big one here, guys. Oh, times 250. Oh my gosh. That's a big one. That's a huge one. That's a huge one. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. Last one. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Boom. Oh, man. We'll take it. Wow. This is amazing, guys. Wow. 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 250 times 5. Ooh, look at that. Oh, my goodness. That's so fun. That's so fun. Alright. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice one. Look at them, all them fishies coming out, guys. Massive win. Massive win. Wow. This is good. This is good. Couple more spins and we might cash out. Wow, that's huge. That's huge. That's huge. Alright, couple more spins. Wow. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up, alright? Peace out.